Mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Oburu Oginga niwathingiliila Kana mota chama cha ODM Maendeea Kwikala nthini wa Silikali ya Broadbased aina cha nthini cha kupoya mwi wa Mututia Professor Shem Oyo Odinga kwa ilobi Oburu Ayasya Mututia Raila Odinga Amatiie Walan'yoni wa Broadbased na Muikiio Maendeea Kuthukuma na Musumbi Dr. William Ruto Itina Usakuanini wa Mwaka wa 2021 Makethiwa Silikalini.
We are moving on as ODM, and we are together in the broad-based arrangement with the current government headed by Dr. William Samoei Ruto, and that is where our late brother Raila Odinga left us, and we are going to be there. We are going to continue to work together for the future of our people. We want to build a Kenya which will move nearer the first world. We don't want Kenya to remain where it is. I know our democracy is so vibrant, and I like it that way. Let us continue in that vibrancy unless the best man win, but we are sure in our arrangement that we are going to seize power in 2027.